and change it to something.
Just buy the old one.
Look at it go! Dude, look at it go! It's doing wheelies! Oh no, it fell off.
I want to see if I can skip the, like, all the way to the gas station. Just a rocket cart.
I mean, you could, but the chances of that would be really low.
Is it though? Cause like, the railway to get to like the little platform is super close to the car shop.
Ron, are you surprised you didn't blow up?
Honestly, I was tabbed out. I wasn't
I
paying
want this.
attention.
Well, if your NVIDIA was on, then...
I'm gonna start overheating, bro. Start hyperventilating.
Keep the change, you filthy animal. It was supposed to rocket into
There we
you.
go.
What if you can make a rocket?
Jesus.
Let's have a tanker battle. First one to blow up wins.
That happened instantly.
Wow.
That timing, bro. That timing. I'm gonna